again. Mentally, you're moving. I'm gonna say why I'm in feet one pause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
Yeah, more about the journey. So season 2, the get interesting. So depa. Yada must say bribia mojibre. It's na Adum TV home. Na mo the journey. Na yetimi edi bro. Na usunya de na odi bi ebo opera. Me amedi juma de ho chia me meeting edi Abena Ghana. Now watching. And so episode na eje strong ko Jenny we de abrabo akwanto ni ye ba abefa mu pa na me say ye be wi no na wonya bibi baako me no bi na wotimi e de abobra ansa na ye be start na me na aboafo maso yasin na watch bia metimi de Jenny April e wo dwumadi so e ye time herbal mixture was malaria de wardrobe anytime I feel lip tomato paste and I forgive us clean care K&G herbal capsules and the aboafo akagina no maso yasin yetimi de dwumadi April with the Jenny so my guests no other or your musician kakra no your crew member or managing artist and I'm so I'm sure my baby extra and then menyan it will show you your friend Zack GH Papa Akwaba
Papa
I want friend Idrali say
eh once unya easy unya easy kra
I'm sure
I want papa
that's it
you share na ache
we share
1 year ba anambwa
1 year by a guy last year this year she age no baso din pa
meba
hey woma
say me free America me fly about Canada
oh father
Canada say higher Ghana higher Ghana land ana me boa me na me di na to so
say we aba Canada
oh say wo
America to high
and me fly about Canada
yeah we dey also ultimate the tro nyum na say
oh me go so
oh any Canada e be fa
sisi ansa wote Canada
yeah
and we Canadian
yeah to ba Canada
yeah
afa chama what they say ade na wo mu na wo mu creativity no e wo ho yeah baby being an actor crew member in Yamawaba music how is the music industry treating you?
Yeah, not bad. Make say nya bad crime go so I am the start here. Music is what I started.
Managing crew member so now your editor me
yeah, I'm your editor.
Oh yeah, ni nyina be gie no fire na be act na no so e be blow you na say
no wow. So I started as a musician here.
Okay, in
Canada, Accra.
Canada.
Yeah,
oh good. Canada.
Yes, and I started in Biawaha.
Okay.
And you know, from music na me you know, me join a group called Musical Ambassadors.
Okay.
And from Musical Ambassadors no, and I me kusua movie editing. And ho na ya nyum to na yegum na artists nso wo mu pa the likes of JD or Bo Alampine.
Oh okay.
Yeah, terrible nchaka wenya ne baby call FBS na squad wo mu pa. And you know, it was there. And your boss back or the Lord Genesis or not to tunium, aquatic kind forms in Miano.
Okay.
Until or no, and I saw better me editing.
Wow.
For free, said the Abena Menye and Sanu Jumabi.
It's media Abua music
career. Yes. So that is how it started. A movie me call editing. And San Jackson invited and so by Kumasi. And see, even along the line of Krana me call Kumasi, now they wanted me to act. I said, nah, acting is not my thing. Media music. I want to focus on my musical career.
Okay.
You know, it was 2006 and Frontier trying to movie be Adam. So they wanted people to come and act. Robbery scene be. Almost a shorty characters you know. So me maybe play and I said no. Still acting the MMP. And to Jackson and Frontier said, no, we know that you love music. And to the Abena, who knows to say moving it can pave way for you.
Wow.
So I gave a thought of it and then I started, with moving so.
Your journey of life, no, you can say ye kuma, ye ne ye be kuma. What passed you through a lot from friends, family, industry people near day. I didn't know what's here free.
Abena me suya ni ma bebre. Disappointment. Say failure. Say umfa umhon to ni paso odi we ni betu ni paso ni pa be di unyambo. Trust me say no one kind of say I say you can.
Yeah.
You better take your time and but me sua bibi e wo wiase and it says to say o de wo to nyame so ade nyina di boa na wie wiye nyame ne hire nipa and so the funny paso but always no bompa ya ka kire nyame say nyame na and connect to the right people at the right time tutu wanamo nsiye oni atamfo kra na pebi what has started yeah shushebi send your friend request because omo boa ma won so tutu wanamo esiye yeah ntimesua ne ma bebre.
There was a time I tete say so fu bi ki kan sensem bi e kire na ye hu say ni nyina na enye nokre e be da di ma ye hu say utimu fita. How was your reaction? No, when you just say nyame e di amount. And I say, how did you feel about the whole situation?
Yes, like I said, the kind of me there, I said, I'm Allah because me bompa pa.
Wow, asam ne ba no.
Me bompa pa.
Wow.
Me suyan so pa because now it was too much for me. Now the pressure was too much for me. And some people think say asem me ka asem nka ho asem bio but now they think say me am artist na me boa na obe make ye no na me ni bre no and sometimes me nam kra na me nkra ka nti me ti taxi mu kra na me kwa ba bi kakra na menya fans kakra na ye boje me so na obi nso aba hwan na mo say oh Zack wonim Zack oh anya kwa we na dey we ko dro so I'm feeling bad. I'm feeling bad because baby I best say we drew no.
And you wanna bet me you are not true.
What you say? And you know I felt very bad ma e drew baby kura na nka me koye ne yenye.
Wow.
Yes nka me end my life kura. So like it wasn't easy for me.
Wow.
It wasn't easy for me. But thank God.
Never hear on the social media normal asano. And go for konia mama ofi.
Are you serious?
It was that serious so you wanted to take your life.
And my mama me born you be outside gentility home cry.
Nice uncle for konia mama.
Yeah. Wow. And me shefi ni nyina na akoye mpaibo. Me frɛ nyame 5 times a day. Se nyame oma na ne munyam endedi. Onkasa.
It will be back cancer ansem na say rade me dasi.
Oh, within a year na no kra na epie and me ti dem kra me hwe na I was like wow. I say me so da ye.
I say wow
active. Yes.
Adwuma bi.
Me phone da ho na e ring sa be 15 minutes course na me ntumi mfa.
Wow.
And it was all over. Into me denya me ase.
We dey na nche we dey nyame fa boa we dey. Oto ne quick kra.
Within a year.
Any Allah born here quick.
Oh yes, because na me din kanka you know. Nyame wo de wo to no so ade nyina di boa na wie wie. And that is it.
So how is your relationship with Kujiro now?
Oh, we are cool. We are okay. Like I say, artists in be afraid, footballers in be afraid. I can't hear bomb so we shouldn't talk about it again. Good. And baby, I'm movie. I'm a dom was Wakasu, Rabi.
Oh, you only are because that's a way back. Go back to the NBA is Wakasu.
Yeah.
With Zack, with Wakasu.
That's the you know free no one off.
Okay.
Or Dagumba ni menzo me basari ni.
Oh, when you Wakasu ya dawasi. So what's this year? Seven peace.
Unknown a play major role a woman, but others frame me. Like I say, Dr. Manfred, Bright TV.
Okay.
To me for Reverend Abiam.
Okay.
So anti pennyful be
no kasai.
And then we try
to
solve our
differences. Now,
say
penny focus on Abua
me pa.
As a young person, I would see a futu.
Abua me pa. Because Chemu will be featured na say o tu ne bafo na won so afabia to koto yim because I be boa. And I we younger. But that is how my grandparents brought me up because omo catch them say memfo obu ene ni die emma penny akwala obia enti no me oya akwala akra na wo kasa kire me me ni me tie hu sa na ma fa baby wo na me call because enje hwe in free me ho but I would rather listen.
Wow, or see enje hwe in free ni ho but he would rather listen. Yen try ye ho enkoji apart from kwata ye ba it's still teaching enko bibia. Yakwaji enkrato aba oguswa ehwede Jenny ewo Adum TV and let me guess is Zack GH and Tichibri na yendi enkomo. Zack, worry.
Don't worry.
Na ushisha ho.
Oh yeah.
Jinemu.
And the main transfer.
It is Abena universe.
Angel. I don't know make angel.
Angel. What wrong now? Music now starting as you see what taking as a full career thing. No, what your collaborations with some of the artists, maybe and you do say now, but so far collaborations are yen sign and expecting from you.
Yeah, so far so good. No, dear, me what 13 singles out there.
Wow.
Yeah. Mene ya pono yebi.
Okay.
Yes, mene me amiko jon kansan so eye nyom.
Okay.
Ana mene fameye. So awonyum.
Okay.
Ana mene medical so
awonyum.
Ana current one I'm releasing yakra mene dead people. And I Sika. That is the title.
Okay. Okay. Eh him for na me
Dead people.
Okay, dead people.
What time here?
Hey, I can say. And you want to say dear nipo boy and kai. I want to say
dead people.
Choka krana meshe.
Omunombo what time here? Na me zanflaze go so. What time here? Na me otizo apase ludu.
Me santi de Jenny so Adom TV. Nze bibia e come.
And me feature omo my current song I'm releasing here me here Sika.
Wow, but you took a crash
me here Sika no. Okay, I say I move away to make a way. I make money to save the day, save the shame. Now I pray, money to flow on me like rain. Oliver Twist, all I want is more. Chrome ha, bayede. Seminye Sika bebrea. Emano, ebe fili. Seminye Sika bebrea. Atamfo, beblidi. Obiara pesiko. And inti me here Sika bebre.
Nanko fu so di o mano no betachi.
Ewrade.
Enye nyom ne killing it. Enyum we be hiti na ye hu ni poor boy. Na why na trust anyo no?
Aje wa so twa mo ba platform is na we so
Jenny. We serious. They were some ba the Jenny so na. Ye ba be din komo. It's music industry no. Sika wom.
Pa.
Sawon he fa na multimedia nyeska.
Meka says this time around ya bet here.
Yankobobi.
This time around ya bet near maybe as a first no na your focus no was say overhate keke but it's showbiz, show and business. Until now no the digital platforms no etua
bra digital ya wo kan man kasanwi me ko tie nwom audio Marco said na akwa bi nwom ode abego o minister was sponsor touch mo nwom ni bia wo bo nwom dede na bo ho na ayi se hwim na be se akwa na nwom na so
you see
me can so na motorway ultimate skip
there be
obetia views are anyam so nya
you see engineer e ho na yenye sika oh yeah e bo pa ana YouTube
wow YouTube no ska wo
oh yeah ska wo
Zack I just want manage me channel na mani
sawo
ana pobi mami
sawo
no bi anye
and ye we interview ya me link to be obey say juma ni na ama because eboa pa sisi ani ye behu first bi ne ye nim nti ye na because of say opeso hating now they are to YouTube now ko but now no digital platform no etia ena ne ma ya adwea ba so no so ye covid ne na na
covid na ne ye hwefie no bibia be ye social media phone laptop.
It pays.
And no everything.
It pays. Social media pays. Don't think say obefa one city
making millions a day.
Make money with it.
Wow.
Social media pays.
This is huge.
And say ho na yenye yesika because that time ni nyina na ye mbo show.
Yeah, utifie.
Utifie. And you know what
can you do
what
to
can
sustain
you do?
yourself?
Exactly. And you know ho na ye nyina start to say yesua de omo nim ni de no omo nim. Omo nka nkyerɛw.
Omo nkyerɛw. Mr. Sunday so abo rap bi.
Dabi wabonyum.
Oh. Enyum no serious.
Minim.
Me wi amema ba ku di akyerɛw. Mr. Sunday abonyu to ye na ne nye collabo ebe fine.
Mate.
Ebe fine pa.
Odo na ye be boaboa ye ho sa.
Odo na ye moaboa ye ho na adwuma no enkɔ nanim. Entwa ye ho enkyen krato ye ba. It's still the journey. Yako akajin krato aba oguswa the Jenny ewo Adom TV and my guest Zack GH na yesua de wakeka nseme re na mahu taxes bebra me be fa so na mesmetime nya YouTube ni sikana abubaba ni nti se menya kakra e de a project na yeguswa the Jenny papa answer na obeko the youth are starting. You were talking about disappointment, ungratefulness, nesane mano. It's ama emwa kra yedin.
No correct.
To say oh bua obi a I will say you receipts.
No correct.
To say one G receipt na ja hokoba.
No correct.
Unya invoice ade be kire. It say sa na ama papa ye no aye.
Maka say bia wo a obetwe ho afri mu no na nye sa na nyame bo wo. But
you go for your bomb, say,
oh yeah,
Papa, you are but keep doing it.
That's it.
I see.
Nti na also talk us why e can one
Yes,
believe it. Say ma en pemo ma nen kan ade way I come and person me just do it. Nti you will be back enye manipa. Muslims we have that belief. Nti ya ade ma wa ye ka say moyimumba Allah. Yes, yeah, because of nyame. Ye ma Allah by nya wo nipa no.
Odoni hia de bebo no.
There be. Nti e kan wa na wa ye an kan wa don't do it. Am obi am for so.
So
yeah.
Giving, helping, well, and ma obia and fossil. Yada was so by and nemesia dear, as in your business ideas be brave. Bansan abecono. Season 2 years sweat the papa. Me fire and go for her more budgets who fear ye, obey back of a fair financial say. Oh, dear mammy, they can add. Patch of mammy. I don't know how could be Anna. Okay, yeah, not me being in Nana, but also you kakasa rapper, Mammy Mora.
And I met to know ye, I show a wish,
Ajay. Way movie industry, no. Why na your crash?
Wow, now we be sat, pay question power, movie industry. Hey, movie industry, no me crash. Not me crash you. No. Sister.
Nah, when you crash your movie, my uncle music.
Music, yes. Music.
Music industry.
Industry, no. Na me crash na ye na na hima. Ebony.
Into occasion okofom.
Okofom.
Oh.
Yeah.
May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
With the young kind na hima busia for ya. What living it there? No be reigning forever.
But me nya foforo. So call him. Me crash. Miss V.
Miss V.
Oh yeah. Miss V, yeah.
Would you near my wo? When you da papa. Aha, and a brave man I would see the Jenny Jumadia, the Ebesi, Yammy Jumadia, which I'm day at the Abena Ghana. Hey, yeah, Shemitia, me who IFFF ages dazzle. Mataria is from different dream boutique. I am in ya and a season 2 was Shemia Taria. Semi family home, na me home any fe. Enti ya o broken o be a baby or be a delivery or the baby na bibia aye kama. Asembako and a depia me catcho. Missing yami woma e be ye. Kai, sena watch bia, nasi. Same time, it was same channels, or Adom TV. Now I ready Jenny Amami. I love you.
The journey.